was won.
I won't go back there. My world is gone. You won, but I lost.
I cannot
Interfere? I know. We're just stories to you. We're not real. You watch us fight, win, lose. Tell me, did you make popcorn while Ultron murdered my friends and burned my world to the ground?
You are more than that to me.
Are we?
Your stories, they are everything to me.
Then fix my world.
I can't, Natasha.
I'm not walking through that door.
Well, the door was more of a metaphor anyway.
Where are we?
On a world that lost their widow.
It's a mess. Thank you.
You and your replacement Avengers fought valiantly, but now I think it's time you told me all your secrets. I was told you were dead.
Same.
You're not my Natasha. But something tells me